If you have an import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider watch this video right now because I'm going to show you how to find children clothing manufacturers on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Salva, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. So let's see how to find children clothing manufacturers on 1688 and get cheap rate of items. So for us to do that, we simply need to head over to our 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here. Then after you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to this tab. So it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. So I'm going to click on it right now. Then this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. So you have all children clothing manufacturer section on 1688. You can simply scroll down and choose from different supplier, different manufacturer right here. Okay, then from the top right here, you can search by section. So for easy translation of this particular page, for people that does not understand Chinese character, you can simply screenshot this page. Then you have to go to your Google Chrome. So I'm going to click on my Google Chrome right here. Then you have to make sure you click on here, this camera icon. Then make sure you choose translate. Then select the picture. And it's going to translate it from Chinese to English language. So from the top here, we have cloth diapers, jumpsuits, children's sleeping bag, children dress, children sweater, children down jacket, and children t-shirt, children socks, children jean, etc. So you can simply navigate from there. So let's quickly go back to my 1688. So right here, we want to check on children jean. So I'm going to click on here. So you are going to see all the children jean manufacturer right here. You can also filter them. You can filter this manufacturer by location. You click on here to choose specific location. You can filter by price. You can filter by latest items. So for you to make all these things easy for yourself, what you need to do is to simply translate this page if you don't understand Chinese character. And for you to identify super supplier on this particular section, this height symbol here represents super supplier, while this one here, this bullhead here, represent the number of years they have been in operation on 1688. You can simply translate the page, then you'll be able to understand. So let's screenshot this page here and head over to my Google Chrome. Then I'm going to upload the picture. Then you have everything here, like translates to English language. You'll be able to read everything. So right here we have brand new section, find a factory, filter, category, and 3-year-old children, and you can simply read and understand everything. So you can scroll down and read everything in English language. Okay, so let's quickly go back to my 1688 and see how we can filter by brand new or find a factory. So for us to find a factory, simply we have to make sure we click on here. That is represent the symbol of factory. Then here we have all factory manufacturer right here. So we can from here click on any one of them and contact the manufacturer. Like for instance, this factory here, we can simply click on their company name. They take us to their store. where you see all items by this manufacturer. So if you want to contact them, what you want to do is to simply click on the product link. So for instance, we can contact them through this particular product link. So I'm going to click on that. Then it takes me to this particular page. We can swipe and see more picture about the product. Okay, so for us to contact this manufacturer, we simply click on here to chat with them. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to make sure I click on here to send this reference. Okay, so this is a manufacturer, okay, that have a maximum security. You can see they reply me instantly. Okay, so this is how basically you can find children clothing manufacturers and how you can contact them, have a deal with them, discuss about price reduction, discuss about quality or what have you. As far as manufacturer is concerned, you can discuss anything with them. They are ready to dance to your tune. So this is how to find children clothing manufacturer on 1688, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about China importation with 1688. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.